¿Quieres aire, sí o no? ¿En esta?
I think.
¿En esta o en esta o en esta?
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna be taking Suera on a ride along. No, I'm kidding. Today Suera's gonna be driving my car, ¿verdad, Suera?
Sí.
¿Cómo te sientes?
Enojada.
She doesn't want to. She doesn't want to take Nelson out for a ride, but she agreed. So we're gonna go. She hasn't driven a stick shift car in like 20 years, maybe. The last time she drove, she crashed.
No, atropellé una niña.
Oh my God. That's why she doesn't want to drive my car. But in Mexico, she ran over a girl, but she didn't die. Keep on watching. Hopefully, there's no little girls around. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. A gum is getting built here. I'm gonna magically make it work. Here we are with my little Nelson. He needs some love, guys. He needs some love. Honestly, I've been neglecting him for a while because I've been paying way too much attention to Toby over here. You guys know the problem with Toby. Toby has freaking leaking coolant. He has starting issues and it's just all bad. So you guys have to stay tuned for that because I already bought the water pump. Toby has been taking up all my time. So I decided today I want to take out Nelson and, you know, just show him some love. And guess what? I am there because she hasn't driven a stick shift car, like I said, like in 20 years, guys. The last time she drove, she ran over a girl in Mexico. She accidentally like ran over a girl and stuff, but the girl's fine. She didn't die, nothing happened, you know, she's good. I told Suera though that we're just gonna do something light. We're not gonna do anything crazy like streets. We're just gonna be going back and forth and back, and we're just gonna go to Tennessee because she's the only 10 I see. If I'm being honest here, I'll be a little scared to have her in public. Like, Nelson is gonna be in her hands and oh my God. The higher the socks, the downer the food. And my socks are not high enough, man. I'm not down, fool. Alright, so here's the inside of Toby. I just thought I should show you guys because I'm not gonna be uploading about Toby in a few weeks maybe about this. This is gonna take me a while to finish. I already added like the little zip ties, you know, gotta have zip ties for everything on the timing belt. Honestly, I'm pretty nervous to do this and it's pretty scary. Like, there's a lot of things that are taken out of here. I'm scared. I am scared, but I just thought I should let you know. And I can't drive him yet. And I actually love driving Toby. And I haven't got the chance to drive him until I'm done. But I know once I'm done, it's gonna be freaking awesome because it's gonna be like such a reward. And I freaking love driving Toby. Between me and you, I like driving Toby more than Nelson. I said it. The turbo in there just took my heart away. Took it away and I started flapping like a bird. Don't tell Nelson, please, because Nelson will get upset. He is the first child, so you know how the first child is. Used to the attention. No, I'm kidding, I'm kidding. Imagine all the first childs are gonna be like attacking me because they're like, what the hell? I'm actually the middle child, so can't relate, but I am the favorite. I'm kidding. Alright, so I've been hearing that there's like this challenge going on, like, or this dance move, and I'm about to try it out for the first time. Don't judge me, please. It's the WAP challenge or something like that by Cardi B. Please don't make fun of me. Let's go. That was bad. That was bad. Nah, I'm kidding. I wasn't really gonna do the one. Here she is, Suera. Let's go. ¿Cuál es tu favorito emoji?
Volar en un avión.
Oh, you guys heard her. So comment down the airplane emojis for her, guys, because she loves airplanes. I show her some love. Airplane emoji. Let's go. Here's Suera. Damn, she's all dolled up. Okay. She's gonna do the WAP.
I'm fucking scared. No me...
Hello.
Estoy nerviosa.
She's a little nervous. I'm a little nervous too, actually. Estoy nerviosa también.
Porque te lo voy a desbaratar.
Sí. Let's go. So, todos van a comentar un avión porque le dijiste que te gustan los aviones. So, van a comentar un avión. So if you guys are watching this, make sure to comment airplane because she loves airplanes. ¿Verdad?
Sí.
The airplane.
Sí, quiero manejar un avión.
She wants to drive an airplane, but oh yes, it's open. We're gonna take her to a little parking lot over here in the back. Perfecto, mira.
Para mí solito.
Yup. Solo para ti. Solo para ti. Ay, que la chingada.
Emma. Okay, go.
Sorry.
Ay, me voy a la cara.
No. Nomás
Sí.
quería hacerlo una vez.
No.
No. Nomás una vez. I was just kidding.
No me vuelvo a subir a tu carro, me vuelves a dar otro enfrenón, ¿ok?
No. My VDC was on. Okay, no. Nomás me da para que Kira. Para que manejes. Okay.
No, tú me quieres.
Oh my gosh.
Tú me quieres agarrar de sorpresa.
No, nomás quería celebrar. Ok, espera, ¿te acuerdas poquito hacer esto o no?
No.
¡Tarán! Ok, so.
Ok.
Ay, mira, táchalo. Está caliente.
Ay, esa chingada.
Está caliente. Okay, that's what I had. I have this on my shift now because it's so hot.
Me gusta por limpio. Para caminar adelante, le doy para allá.
Para el uno.
¿Y dónde está el uno? Yo no le veo ningún uno.
Acá era. Agárralo.
¿Dónde marca?
Aquí y después para arriba. Uno. Puedes dejar el clutch despacito. Y ya, ok, ahora dale poquito gas. ¡Uy!
No le di nada.
No, tienes que darle poquito gas. Se apagó, sí, espérate. Tiene que estar en el medio. ¿Hasta en el uno? Ok, suelta el clutch poquito. Oh, no le des gas, todavía no. Déjale el clutch poquito. Oh, perfecto. Poquito. Y ahora dale poquito gas. Y suelta el clutch despacito. ¡Woohoo! Ok. Ahora. No, I'm kidding. Vas derecho. Manejas para manejar. Oh my gosh, she's scaring me. She's too close to the camera. ¿Vas a hacer una U-turn? Oh my gosh, no. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Lo agarraste, mira. Qué fácil. Ahora, ¿te quieres ir al segundo? Todavía no. No, it's kind of close right here. Ahora, tengo que ir en reverse. No está nada. Y vas a ir en reverse. No está nada. Está neutral. Te lo moví. Ok, so, porque está bien chiquito, te voy a hacer al reverse. Ay, qué la chingada. Ok, está el clutch. Espérate. I can't do it. Dale poquitito gas. Y cuando te asustes, pon el clutch para adentro. Y ya, ok, clutch para adentro. Se mueve. ¡Oh! ¡Damn!
Se apagó otra vez.
Y ya, se apagó. No, es que lo dejaste ir muy rápido. Okay. Yeah, so you kind of have to feel the clutch. So she's pretty new. Whoa! Okay. Whoa. Okay. You're scaring me. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Whoa. Stop! No. Me asustas.
Así como tú me asustas.
Damn. You got this. Poquito gas. No sueltes el clutch. I'm not worried. I'm not scared. I think she got this.
¿Te vuelvo a asustar?
My clutch sounds burned.
¿Te asustó?
No. But ahora salte de aquí. Let's go. Oh, no. Ahora vete al dos. Clutch in y te vas para abajo.
No.
Okay.
Tú cambia.
Ay. Oh my gosh. No, ya es too late. Ya se apagó. Okay. ¿Eso es todo para ti, Sora?
Bye. Thank you for your cooperation.
¿Cómo te sientes? No estaba tan difícil, ¿verdad?
No, sí está bien difícil. Ay, ayúdenme.
¡Auxilio!
Ay.
Mueve el sillón para atrás, el asiento. Para abajo.
Ay.
Damn, look at her. She's all dolled up. Make sure like, comment, and subscribe, guys. I think she did a great job. I know you guys could do it too.
Gracias por tus clases, ok.
You're welcome. Va a ser $1,000. Ay, no quiere sacar mi llanta. My key doesn't want to come out. Oh, never mind. I was like, my key doesn't want to come out. My key. Ahora, métete. No, métete. Come on.
Te voy a agarrar de las greñas, ¿eh?
¿Por qué?
Ay, sí, te estás poniéndose y riendo.
No, my clutch smells a little burnt. Mira, para abajo.
Para abajo, para arriba y al centro. Yo me voy a ir, me debo agarrar de aquí para así. Te avientas, le voy a jalar la breca.
Ay, no.
¿Sí?
A ver, no.
¿Sí?
No sabes que la breca le... ¿Por qué se paran? I'm gonna lock the door.
Emma. ¿Qué? Sí, mírame.
¿Qué?
Mira, veme. ¿Qué pasa?
Voy a machacar esta.
No. Emma.
Me oyó. What? No, me va a sacar. ¿Qué? No tengo que hacerlo así.
No.
¿Qué mira este señor? Ay,
Que lo va siguiendo. Ay, mamá. ¿Ves? Ya acabé. Ok, yo también ya acabé con ustedes, ¿verdad? ¡Ay! Emma, please.
Oh my God.
No, ustedes sí son bien malos, en serio que sí.
No.
Se pasan de ver. Fuck! Fuck you!
Yes, I'm so happy I finally got sweater to drive my car. Now I'm gonna go drive Pablo because I have not shown Pablo any love, and all Pablo needs is literally gas. I don't find my freaking gas tank. I don't know where I left it or where it can be. So I just got this freaking this can here, and I'll put some gas in here. I've been dying to drive him. Well, actually, I haven't been dying to drive him because I kind of forgot about Pablo. But I'm so excited to take him out for a little spin, you know? He's ready to hit the road. He's ready to hit the hay. Just got to the gas station and look what we spotted. 350, let's go. 350 squad. Let me go ahead and fill up my little tank. Let me go ahead and fill up my balloon again. I just spotted another 350. I love your car.
Thank you.
Z-fam, let's go. By complimenting someone, it might make their day. I really like that car, you know. I think she heard it. Honestly, by just telling someone a very nice comment, that may make their day. So make sure to, you know, tell people that they have a nice smile, or that they freaking have a nice car, or like that you like their hair or something, you know? Just be positive, you know? Push that energy out there and that energy will come right back. I've actually never seen gas like this, and I think it's freaking weird. It kind of looks like dirty water. I'm gonna drink it. Alrighty guys, let me put this gas in here. It's kind of weird putting it in with one of these because this is my first time using one of these thingamabobs. Stand back, guys. Oh. What the? That's freaking 50 cents right there. That's 50 cents right there worth of gas.
It's going never leave.
No vaping around my motorcycle here, because one blow of smoke and we're all done. Explosion. Fire. Fire. We're done. Let's go. Girl power. I'm gonna tell you guys something really funny. Last time I freaking took out Pablo, like when I first got him, and I swear I freaking almost crashed into Nelson. Like it was so freaking scary. I literally scraped the wheel, but I almost hit the bumper, but I scraped the wheel instead and I fell. And then last time I let my sister drive it and she freaking took off, and then she fell on the neighbor's yard. Like I swear, no joke, she freaking fell on their yard, and it was hilarious. And after that though, she won't drive Pablo anymore. She won't drive him because she's scared to drive him now. Alrighty. Back then I would drive this every morning. A car coming. Alright, I suck at doing U-turns, but I'm gonna do a U-turn. Let me start again. Whoa, it doesn't want to drive. That's why he does. Whoa. Let's go, guys. I'm actually not supposed to be driving. we home. We home. That was fun. See you guys, you don't need a lot of money to make you happy. This literally makes me like the happiest person in the world. Oh, hi there. I didn't see you there. Okay. Thank you so much for tagging along. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just want to say thank you for being some loyal subscribers. I freaking love you guys. Please comment some sweet comments for Suera, because I swear she be reading the comments and she sees all the love that you guys be showing. So please show her some love and you guys will make her freaking day. Chuuuki squad for life. Now, a lot of you guys have been telling me that, you know, YouTube has been broken and it has not been sending out the damn notifications, and I'm about to square up because YouTube is not doing its job. And I do apologize for that. There's nothing I can really do for that, but what I can do is try to figure out another way to give you guys a shout out, but I don't really know how to make it as fair as possible. So like I said, if you guys have any suggestions, comment down below. If not, I'm gonna just have to leave. And yeah, it sucks, but I mean, what can I do, man? What can I do? Anyways, post notification shout out goes out to Vincent A. Thank you so much for having your notifications on. Later, guys. Let's go. Peace.
Just a little kickback. Chillin' out, maxin', relaxin'. Summertime with a fantastic kickback. I'ma crack another cold one. Barbecue chicken almost done. Kickback. Ayy, all the shorties came through and my friends came too. It's a vibe.